Located in the city of Morelia, Mexico, Eréndira House is a residence designed for two women, a mother and her daughter, who share a deep appreciation for Mexican culture, traditional craftsmanship, natural materials, and vegetation. Architect Pepe Ramírez responded to this vision by creating a home where light, shadow, nature, and space come together in harmony. The house is not meant to be a statement piece. Instead, it seeks to blend with its surroundings and become part of the landscape. Set on a modest urban plot measuring 10 meters wide by 25 meters deep, the design avoids a monolithic mass. Instead, it is organized into 3 transverse modules, each 10 meters wide and 5 meters long. These volumes are placed sequentially along the plot, separated by open gardens and transitional spaces. This layout not only maximizes natural light and ventilation, but also creates a rhythm of openness and intimacy throughout the home. On the ground floor, the first module contains the entrance, master bedroom, and a bathroom. The second module features a double-height living area, an interior garden, a staircase, and a circulation hallway. The third module includes the kitchen, dining area, service zone, and a rear garden. Upstairs, the first module holds 2 bedrooms and a shared bathroom. The second remains partially open, housing the staircase and hallway, while the third contains a study library and another open void that overlooks the living space below. One of the most important aspects of this house is the spatial experience it offers. From the moment one enters through the 10 by 5 meter front yard, used for parking and access, the journey through the home becomes a sequence of sensory moments. Interior spaces are interspersed with gardens and light, culminating in a lush backyard of the same dimensions. This creates a feeling of discovery, encouraging inhabitants to experience each space deliberately and with presence. Eréndira House does not seek to dominate its surroundings. Its quiet, neutral facade blends into the neighborhood, while the strength of the design reveals itself through its geometric volumes, controlled openings, and a masterful play of light and shadow. The luxury in this home is not in expensive materials or decoration, but in the experience of the architecture itself. The house draws inspiration from the work of renowned Mexican architect Luis Barragán, particularly in the way it uses light, shadow, gardens, and voids to evoke emotion. The garden is not just a decorative element, but a focal point, visible from different parts of the home and serving as an emotional anchor for the occupants. Natural materials take center stage throughout the project, reinforcing a strong connection with the environment and cultural roots. Earth-toned colors, wood, and stone are used to create warmth, authenticity, and a timeless feel. These materials are not only sustainable, but also reflect the region's vernacular aesthetic and tactile qualities. A dedicated study library space adds another layer of depth to the house, reflecting the intellectual and creative interests of its inhabitants. It transforms the home into a place for reflection, learning, and personal growth, a private sanctuary where daily life and inner life coexist seamlessly. More than just a house, Eréndira House is a living philosophy. It's about creating a home that feels honest, rooted, and peaceful. It offers a compelling model for anyone seeking to build in harmony with nature, culture, and personal identity, an architecture of restraint, respect, and quiet beauty.